Hello friends, so we have got this new wireless keyboard.
From Logitech.
Yeah, this is from Logitech and this is the model number. It's MK215 space saving wireless keyboard and mouse combo. So we are going to open it. Let's see what's written here. So this one is wireless keyboard and a mouse combo, Windows, Chrome OS and Linux. So this is compatible with Windows, Chrome OS, Linux, but why not with Mac? I don't know. So this is compact, space saving, comfortable mouse. Then Logitech Advanced 2.4 GHz wireless. Then batteries that last for 24 months. Okay. Then these are some features, spill resistant design. Okay. And then the durability is adjustable tilt legs. Okay, plug and play USB connection, no software installation. Okay, and then mouse accessory is full size mouse, HD optical tracking, plug and play USB connection, no software installation. So this is it. So we have bought it from Amazon.in and received it yesterday, and I have removed the outer cover because of the fear of the coronavirus, and I have sanitized this pack and I am going to open it now. So okay, can you help me? Just pull it out. Oh, this is the mouse. So this is the mouse. Then this is one user manual, I think. And this is the keyboard. It looks a little smaller. Anything else inside? Okay, I think nothing is here.
What?
This one is empty.
Where's the user drive?
What?
I mean the main drive.
Pen drive.
Yeah.
No pen drive is required. It's the
What is
no.
it?
This is the Bluetooth connector, unified connector that is called. This is, I think, inside here. So this is the connector.
Hey, what? There are more keys.
And
Okay.
then this is the batteries.
And there's some metal.
What? More batteries, I think.
Yeah.
So I think these two for the keyboard and these two for the mouse, and this is the unified connector. So this is the mouse. So we would like to connect it. So the idea behind this buying this is I would like to connect it with the laptop, and as well as this smart TV from Sony Android. Okay, so first I will try to connect with the laptop. Okay,
Look at that.
so this is the adjustable legs,
Yes, so it's fancy.
height adjustable legs, and it's almost a full size keyboard apart from this padding thing, the externally casing thing. This is a full size.
Yeah, and it's extremely small at some times.
Yeah. This is cursor is a little bit smaller.
I
Okay,
mean,
I
how
would
am
like
I
to.
supposed to type there?
Okay. Bring that one, that keyboard. We'll compare these two. Okay. Bring that keyboard. So this one is a wired keyboard. Wired keyboard is from the Logitech itself, and this is K200, and this one is MK215. So 200 and 215, a similar series, I think. So this is, you see,
It's a lot
So-
smaller than that.
this one is a full-size keyboard, and this is the wireless keyboard. So little smaller. You may say 2 inches smaller than this the actual, but the number keyboard is similar, exactly similar. You see, exactly similar. And I am going to check the QWERTY keyboard. This is the Q here, and this is the Q here, and P is here. So it's similar, almost similar, a little bit smaller. You see. Okay, so this is the Q
what's
here
FM?
and this is the P here. So here is the FN means function keys. There are, I think, 11 function keys are here. So F1 home. If you put it FN plus F1 function plus F1, then it will go to home. Home in the sense in the browser it will go to home, like that. So okay, so compare the thing. So this is the mouse. So this is the combo thing. So mouse and when we add both the things, this makes the same size. Okay, so this is the Logitech branding here, and here it was Logitech branding here, and the indicators are here. Where is the indicator? I think there is no indicator, or the no indicator.
Hey, look at this.
So this is the battery cabinet. So yeah, you just can put the batteries here. Can you bring your cutter? Just leave it, man. Bring your cutter first. Okay, open it. Careful, careful, careful. Okay, put it inside.
Right here.
Check the polarity. No, you need the bigger one, I think.
I think that's one.
Yeah, 2 batteries. So, okay, open it.
Okay, I'll just put it here. And that should be. Wait, where is it?
What is this?
I think that's. No, that's not.
So the keyboard doesn't require any battery or what? I've not gone through the manual yet. So I think this doesn't require any.
So why did they give 4 batteries?
4 batteries. Why? Let us check it. So okay, here is. We can open it here. Just pull it like
Oh
this.
yeah, that's what you call technology. And I don't know.
So this is the battery cabinet here, hidden inside the Logitech logo.
That's why it has such a big space.
It's nicely done.
And these are the bigger batteries.
Bigger batteries for the mouse. Check the polarity. Okay.
Yeah.
Close it.
Okay.
Okay, done.
Now
so
look at
we'll
this.
like to connect it.
Where is it?
Okay. We have brought it here. This is the mouse, and this is the wireless keyboard, and this is the dongle. So this is a unified connector actually. So this connects both the keyboard and the mouse. So I'm going to put it here in my laptop, and I will show you later how to replace this keyboard, as because this keyboard has been not actually working properly, and I typed something here, so it's not working. So okay, I have put it here, the unified connector, and this is the keyboard, and this is the mouse. So you can see it's already started working. You see, so this is the mouse. Yeah, so no need of driver, and I am going to try something to type. Okay, let me open the notepad. Can you just yeah, type it? Type something. Hello, hands. Mind your capitals, man. Mind your casing. Not casing actually, case. Outer case. So he's a novice actually, so he's typing slowly. Oh look, let me type it for him. Yeah, please hold the camera for me. Okay, don't shake it much. So I am typing this on my Logitech Wireless Keyboard mouse combo. Voila! So this is great. So it's a fit for me. It's a perfect fit for me. You see. So I have the largest finger. You see. This is a nice stand. You see. So this much finger can fit here easily. So I think this is a good bargain. So this is the keyboard and this is the mouse. Both are working fine.
And
so,
they're stylish.
Yeah, stylish too. Yeah. So it doesn't feels like it's a small mouse I'm using. So okay. Bye. Okay, bye bye. We'll do it.